got a caller from Kevin Stark. Kevin, you're on the podcast.
Great. I just had a question for Greg. I've always been a fan. I'm curious to know his feelings about the influx of AI into so much of our lives currently. What does he see the future of broadcast news in relationship with AI?
Great question there, Kevin. Oh boy, the influx of AI. I mean, a two-part answer. On the one end, on the journalist end, I think a lot of us, there's a bit of that fear that from a presentation standpoint that you'd have an AI version of Scoop here, right? And you wouldn't know the difference per se, that the man delivering the news at night, and would you care necessarily that it was really Scoop or an AI version? We've broached this a little bit in terms of covering stories from an AI standpoint, and what would be, if you remove the human factor in covering a story with AI, would you lose anything per se? Because in theory, if AI is re-recording what was presented, would you lose the flair of the flavor? So I think as time goes on, there's the AI fear factor. I think before that happens, though, I think it's more of the social media and the condensation of local news into social media. That's the bigger fear, I think, right now in newsrooms. But overall, do I still trust the process as someone who's part of it? I do.
Thanks for that, Greg, and I'll turn it back over for the next question.
Thank you, Kevin.
Awesome.